In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive cryptocurrency on Coinbase. Whether you're new to the world of digital currencies or looking to polish up your skills, I'm here to guide you through this process step by step. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, you want to have Coinbase open on your desktop or mobile device. Once you're logged in, you're going to make your way to the advanced trading section. This is where you'll have access to all your trading tools and options. If you're using a desktop, you'll typically find this in the top navigation bar. For those on mobile, it might appear in a drop-down menu or a side panel. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for all your crypto transactions. Once you've reached the advanced trading section, the next thing you'll do is tap or click on Portfolio. Your portfolio is essentially your gateway to viewing and managing your cryptocurrencies. It contains all your holdings and allows you to access other features within the app. This feature is designed to be intuitive, allowing you to easily locate the assets you hold or plan to acquire. Moving on, you'll see an option to tap on Deposit and then select Deposit Crypto. At this point, you'll be presented with a list of all the cryptocurrencies supported by Coinbase. You should see a wide variety to choose from, everything from Bitcoin to Ethereum and even some of the lesser known altcoins. Select the cryptocurrency that you want to receive. This step is critical, as selecting the wrong cryptocurrency can lead to irreversible errors. After you've made your selection, you will see your wallet address displayed. Here, you have two options. You can either copy the wallet address directly or choose to scan the QR code with another device. Most users find the QR code scanning feature particularly handy, especially in today's fast-paced digital world. This step ensures you have the correct address format required for your transaction. Now that you have the necessary wallet address, it's time to share this information with the sender. Be sure to double check every character and digit in the wallet address if you're copying and pasting it. Any mistake here can result in lost funds. The safest way remains scanning or sharing the QR code. Finally, with everything set, you need to wait for the transaction to confirm on the blockchain. This step might take a few minutes to several hours, depending on the cryptocurrency and current network congestion. Patience is key here. Once the transaction is confirmed, you will see the funds reflected in your Coinbase account. And there you have it. You've now successfully navigated the process to receive cryptocurrency on Coinbase. Remember, digital currencies demand careful attention and precision. With this guide, you will hopefully find yourself more comfortable and confident in handling them. Thank you for watching and happy trading.